My good friend from Los Angeles raised the hookah issue. The issue with hookah exemption in this legislation is based on the fact that when you look at a hookah, and I learned a lot in this. I was not familiar with how that applied, but all hookah tobacco, shisha, is flavored. It is historically, that is how it is. It is a flavored tobacco product. And as you know, it is consumed through a pipe that's not concealable. It's not something you can walk down the street with. It's not something you can plug into the USB drive on your computer. It is a very large device. And it is also, the use of a hookah is used for celebratory events on special occasions. It's not a daily used product. And that's why it's different than an e-cigarette. It's different than a tobacco cigarette. And it's different than a vaping device. And that's why we felt that it would be appropriate to exclude them, because it's not the same problem as we find today. So if I could continue, Madam President, you know, big tobacco has put a price on our kids' lives, but I refuse to do so. SB 793 will be a public health victory in California.